In this video, I'm going to show you how to find AI agent ideas that businesses are already paying for. Not ideas you hope will work, not trends that might disappear next month. I'm talking about validated demand real services, real buyers, real money. Before you build an AI agent, write a single line of code or even choose a niche, you need one thing first: evidence. So this video is about the exact research process I use to spot AI agent opportunities that are already working in the real world. The first layer is obvious. We look at Google, YouTube, creators who talk about AI tools and automation. We search for things like AI hacks, AI tools, automation use cases, AI agents for businesses. This gives us surface level signals, what people are talking about, what's trending, what's getting attention. But attention is not the same as money. So we go deeper. One of the most powerful places for research is Fiverr. And here's why this matters. People don't go to Fiverr to learn. They don't go there to browse. They don't go there for entertainment. They go there to pay. That make Fiverr one of the clearest indicators of real buying intent on the internet. Here's exactly what we do. Go to Fiverr, then go to the search section and type AI agent. This is important because this is exactly what we are planning to build. Now, don't overthink it. We are not judging design, we are not judging branding, we are looking for clues. For example, 10 orders in queue, 5 orders in queue, 15,000 orders is completed. And you should pause and ask yourself, how does someone have 10 orders waiting for AI agent development? That tells you 3 critical things. Demand already exists, people are already paying, the problem is already validated. And here's the shocking part. Most of the setups are not that complex. They are not magic. They are not cutting edge research. They are just solving specific business problems. And here's the good part. I have already put all of this into a structured Excel file called High Demand AI Agent Services Strategic Master Table. It breaks down what businesses are actually paying for, which AI agent service show real demand, and how to think about them strategically step by step. If you want access, I have dropped the link in the description. You can also join my free Telegram group. That's where I share every file, document, and resources I find useful. I will see you in the next one.